Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. On today's video, we'll be getting some laundry motivation done. We're just folding some clothes today, so I hope you pull out that load and spend about 21 minutes with me to fold some laundry, put on some music, or listen to the music here. Make sure you place me on any device, on your TV, or on your phone, or on your tablet, on your Alexa show. So you can watch me and we can do this together, because you know this is a we thing. All right, it is a we thing. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below what you're doing. Are you just watching me, or are you folding along with me? So I really hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all at the end.
Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are coming, funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often, loving you has left me weak. But let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool? Can I dance for you?
오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 무작정 어딘가 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같던 매일 너랑 기억에 갇혀 살아 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은 내
Alright, you guys, we are halfway through this video. I just want to tell y'all thank y'all so much once again for clicking on this video. Y'all get to see my fur babies. You get to see some of my family moving around. This is just what we do sometimes. We just get some time to just sit and fold some laundry. Like, literally, you guys sit there and fold it. And yeah, so that's what we're doing here. So I really hope that you enjoy enough to join the family by clicking the subscription box down below. And don't forget to like this video and continue on watching till the end. I appreciate you.
Faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They gone. How can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice, you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird right straight off the nest like you. Could only get better. I needed more than ever. They gone. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't.
Thank you guys for clicking on this video and spending some folding motivation time with me. The lady sitting right next to me is my friend Adrienne, and we just hanging out while we just, just chilling, hanging out, and that's what friends do. If you haven't yet, go ahead and join the family by clicking the subscription box below, turning that red box into a gray box. Go ahead and click that thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to comment down below, what are you doing while you are watching this video? I really appreciate y'all for being here. I thank y'all for being you, doing you, and as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. Peace out. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, y'all.
You ain't gotta be see-through, yeah. You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, yeah. I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we made it. Wake me from this dream.